Chapter number 9, Exercise 9.2. You will find easy solutions. Graphs are also given. Concepts. Question 1. How to find values in radians or degrees. Answer. For trigonometric functions, like tan, cos, sine, find values in degrees. For others like x, 2x, find values in radians. Important things. Draw your graph within the interval given. Most important thing, draw your graph cleanly and clearly. Use black and blue markers. In this video you will find every question with graph. Don't forget to mention the graph, which graph it is. Make your graph with taking big gapes for values. Likely 10 small boxes for 1 point on y-axis. For 30 or 60 degrees, let 5 small boxes or 10 small boxes. In this way your graph will look very clean and clear. This is the most important long question. Comes in exam for 8 marks. Thanks for watching. For more, look for video description.